In my opinion, price must be delivered to buyers and sellers in a way that offers them both an opportunity to buy and sell. If price is not delivered that way, then it will be re-delivered. It's just how price moves. In my opinion, everyone else is wrong. I know that's a pretty bold statement. That's just what it is, guys. And I'll prove it to you. Keep watching my channel. I'll show you day after day that price is booking for redelivery of price to areas that where price was not delivered in a way that offered both buyers and sellers an opportunity. So that is going to be imbalances, inefficiencies, but they're not fair value gaps. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about areas like displacement, right? It's displacement that does not offer both buyers and sellers an opportunity. I'm going to take one off as it continues my way a little bit here. Now I'm 2, 2, and 2 in all accounts. Some are going to say that this is ICT shit, and I could understand how you could see it that way, but it's not, because the whole concept is different. He's basing his concept off of liquidity. Mine is the redelivery of unfair price action, which I've named these zones that are unfair as redelivery zones. There's zones that price needs to be redelivered into. I'm going to sell one into there, one into there, and one into there. So now I'm 1, 1, 1. Yeah. So already I made $1,000. All right, so we dipped into the redelivery zones. I'm still developing this concept, right? It's not finished yet. I'm giving you guys a preview here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think it's legit, or if you just think I'm out of my mind. I'm simplifying how price moves, right? Because this is how price is delivered. Because look at this, like fast down, delivers last point of buyers had a chance to buy. Another move down, comes back up, last place buyers had a chance to buy. A big move down, comes up, last point buyers had a chance to buy. Big move up, last point sellers had a chance to sell. It's just how price moves, guys. I mean, you can not agree with me, you can agree with me, but I'm gonna prove it to you. You know, everyone else is fucking wrong, and it's just how it is. If you can't accept that and you're unwilling to, then that's cool. But I can teach you how price really moves, and I can teach you in a simple, easy way to do it. That is the point, right? So with ICT's concepts, you have so much different shit going on that it's almost impossible to trade it for a new trader, because you have too many possibilities, too many setups. This is just one thing. Now it's in my last buying zone. If I drew it correctly, it should land somewhere in this area right here. Now this is when I have to drop down to see what's going on in here. Now it should go right to where I have this. It's right here. Now if price redelivers to this within the 50% line, I will add back some more. I've added back more. I'm just going to do it for this last little leg up here. If you think about what I'm saying, right? I'm saying that if price moves through quickly, it needs to redeliver it, because they do not have a chance to participate. If you look at price, it's what it does constantly. That's all it's doing. And then that is the edge, right? Knowing that after they redeliver it, it's probably going to continue in the original direction it was going, right? And this is a higher time frame area here. So once they redeliver it, giving them both an opportunity, then it is going to probably reverse, right? All right, just like right there, that move up was kind of fast. So what it does, it redelivers it to them. All right, there we go. Boom. Now we're pretty much on the tick here, so I'm going to go ahead and start exiting. We'll see if this last area, nope. Okay, that's it. Boom, done. Now there's your resistance point. So what am I going to do? I'm going to check to see if I can make still another $400 in this eval. I'm going to go 2 contracts short, 3, 2. So now I'm short all the way around. I'm going to put my stop right up here. Put my stop at 6. Okay. So now I'm short. You know, I make content for you guys, and I understand that some of it's probably confusing. This is not confusing. It is simple. It is not complicated. I'm going to take one off as it goes my way, because we're getting back to here. So if it is going to continue up, this is where it's going to bounce at. So I'm going to take some off there. I can only make $200 more in this account, so I need to be careful here. Go back to the 1 minute so I can see, make sure I'm right. Yeah, we're good. How else was I able to predict that it would reverse right here? You know, this is a redelivery zone. This area needs to be redelivered. I'm gonna take another one off as it goes my way. I've made it just in the last 24 hours. I've made an insane amount of money trading this strategy, given a lot of its eval money. But I passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 evals in the last 24 hours. Booked $2,000 in profit. That's real money profits. You know, I'm gonna show you guys what's up. You're gonna see it, and I'm gonna show you, and you're gonna become a believer. I promise you. And I want you to go in the charts and look for yourself too. See if I'm right. See if I'm wrong. But I'm telling you, I'm not. Buyers, they did not have a chance to participate on this move down. So now it's going to give them a chance to participate. Now inside of here, if we drop down, let's see. Yeah, see, this is the last place that buyers had a chance to participate right there. Boom. 50% respected. Kinda. Pretty close. But then there it goes. Now, if it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce where? Right here. And this is just a preview. I'm going to release a course on it because it is a simplifying something that's really complicated. Price movement is complicated, right? The way it moves, how it moves, and why it moves. That's a complicated thing. To break that down, it's going to take me a little bit of time. The beautiful thing about this strategy is you don't have to predict anything. Once you get in the flow of the market and you see how it's moving, you just outline these areas and trade them. And there she goes. Let's go back to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it's here. Yeah, I only need pretty much past this eval now. I need $300 more, which will happen right here. I am about at my limit for this top step account and the amount of profits I can make. I can only make half of the profit target in 1 day. So it's right there. I have to exit. I only need $200 more on there. Now you guys see it went right to where I said it would, right to where I said it would, right to where I said it would. And then hopefully you guys see what I'm talking about in price. This is just a preview of price delivery dynamics. If you guys are interested in funding, you can check out my website. It's verifiedfundingcompanies.com. And once you're on the home page here, if you click right there, it will take you to the discount page. I update this every single day. There's a new discount. There's a Blue Knox 90% off sale. Apex Trader Funding 90% off sale. Take Profit Trader. The sale ends here in a couple of days. 40% off of all accounts. No activation fee. Use the code KING. You can also sign up for my newsletter. So right here, put in your email and you'll get the current discounts and tips and tricks on how to get funded. As well as editing the video, I went and checked on the market, and as you can see, it did rejected that area and is now going down, and price is working its way through just how I explained it does. I have too much profit in this eval here. I'm only allowed to make $3,100 100K count in 1 day. So that's why you see me long when obviously price is going downward. But I just want to show you that it did in fact reject at my last point of buying, and it redelivered price to that area as we went over in the video. I hope the video helps you guys. If you want to learn about other concepts I trade, check out the video in the right hand corner. It is about trading with trend lines, which I think is really helpful these days in the market.